Okay, so I am about to put this wig on correctly. I'm going to show you guys how I glue my wigs on. This video is going to be very simple. Ooh, my makeup is like so oily right now, but it's okay. I'm only making this quick video, like I said, because I'm trying to be more consistent with YouTube. So that's what I'm gonna do. So this is a unit that I just finished making. This is a 360 unit with 2 bundles in the middle. The 360 is 10 inches and the hair in the middle is like different lengths because it was some hair that I used previously and I just like, yeah, threw it up in there. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have my hair braided up under here and I just have on a stocking cap. Nothing major. Oh, my hair is getting snagged in the combs. Okay, so the inside of my unit looks like this. Nothing spectacular. And I have worn this unit before, but I've never glued it down. So yeah, it's just a regular 360. So I'm gonna just put it on as if I would put it on normally. Like normally I wouldn't even glue my 360 wigs or anything because I make them so secure that you really don't have to glue them. So normally I would protect my edges or whatever, but I have never experienced any of like balding or anything of my edges when I wear my lace frontal wigs, when I glue them without protecting my edges. So therefore I'm not even going to do that. I just feel like it just takes up too much time. And yeah, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a pencil so I can mark where I'm going to glue. Okay, so I would want it to sit like that. Yeah, sit like that. So I'm just gonna mark the outline of the wig. Because I'm gonna make sure to stay in those lines when I'm applying the glue. So this is here, here. See if it matches up like it's supposed to. That is my line to not cross. And then I just like flip it back like so. Okay, so I'm gonna go get some alcohol and I'm gonna wipe all the makeup and stuff from that imaginary line right there. Okay, so I just applied my first layer of glue. I am going to do 3 layers of glue just because I want my wig to last a long time. I want it to stay in place. So once you apply the glue to the imaginary line that we outlined earlier, you kind of just lay it flat. Lay the glue flat and give it a few minutes. Let it get tacky, let it dry, whatever. I like to just let it get tacky. I don't like it to be completely dry before I put my other layer on. But most people try to let it all dry all the way, but I don't like to do that. And like I said, if you are someone that is your hair comes out easily or your hairline is very sensitive, do not put it on your hairline. Like, do not even get it close to your hairline. Me, like I said, I've never experienced any like type of thinning of my hairline of anything because I properly take it off. I just submerge it with water, then I submerge it with a little bit of alcohol and it comes right off. And any glue that's caught in my little baby hairs or whatever, once I wash my hair, I put conditioner on there and I just kind of comb and it just loosens up. I haven't had any experience with, you know, my hair coming out or anything. So as you can see, it's like drying a little bit. You just let it get tacky a little bit and then you do your second and your third layer and then you just tack it on there. Okay, so I just applied my frontal on And now I'm just like pushing the lace into my skin before it dries too good. Leaving my little baby hairs that I'm gonna glue down later out. You know? Yeah. Just press it down as best as you can. So right now it looks like this. And I'm gonna let it dry completely. Then I'm going, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and style my baby hairs now. So okay. And basically that's just how I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna put my scarf on, and then it's basically it. I mean, it's on and popping.